Hi. If you watched my previous video, you would know that I met an accident while driving a car. And coming to this hospital, it's very awful. But as you know, I love making videos. I will make one more for you. I think you have been doing good since the last time we met. Today there is a special guest. He forgets everything. So I think he forgot to come here too. No worries, I will call him. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I think you forgot to come here.
Who are you?
Doc.
Hello, doc. I have to come to you where?
You need to come to the hospital to meet me.
Okay, doc. I will come.
Please be fast. We are not having much time. Thank you.
Yes, doc, I'm coming. Bye.
Bye. Living in the hospital, I got to know many things about coronavirus. So, I will discuss about it today with my new friend. Oh, hi, my friend.
Hello.
Viewers, meet Amir.
Am I Amir?
Yes, you are Amir.
And you?
I am Doc.
And they?
They are viewers.
And we?
Will you please shut your mouth?
Oh, sorry.
So today we will talk about coronavirus.
I have coronavirus.
What?
Yes.
Leave or I will do something very bad for you.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm going by.
Crazy people. So we were talking about coronavirus. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 comes from the same family which has given us the common cold. The coronavirus is a family which has given us many infections like the novel coronavirus or COVID-19, SARS, MERS, and common cold too. SARS stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome and MERS stands for Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. Coronavirus is a zoonotic virus. Zoonotic virus is a virus which comes from animals to human beings. Coronavirus mainly can infect mammals and birds. A virus is actually a protein coating with strands of RNA inside it. Viruses have cilia which lies on the outermost surface of the viruses. These cilia attaches with one cell and gives the strands its RNA strands to that cell. By doing this, the virus corrupts the cell and the cell starts misbehaving. The cell is now corrupt and is now sending those RNA strands to other cells too. This cell also produces other viruses which infect other cells. The main host in our body for these cells are either the goblet cells which produce mucus in our lungs to keep it healthy and dry and avoid more pathogens to enter in the lungs, and the ciliated viruses which are on our lungs to help the mucus move so that not more pathogens are collecting over there. COVID-19 stops this working. Either the goblet cells or the ciliated cells, which causes more and more mucus and pathogens to collect. This infection has many conclusions. The first conclusion is that the infected person gets pneumonia in both of its lungs. This is because the mucus and other things which were being moved by the ciliated cells are now stopped, which has led the lungs to fill up with debris or waste, blocking the alveoli to give oxygen to the blood, leading to acute respiratory failure. Immune systems in this stage produce too much cytokines. Cytokines are actually the alarm system of immune cells. Too much cytokine can cause another type of conclusion, which is cytokine storm. Cytokine storm can cause many internal swellings in body, which can cause blood and oxygen to not reach to the parts of the body. This leads to many organ failures and in most of the cases is lethal. During this COVID-19 infection, during this all things, many immune cells become hyperactive and damage other cells which can cause lethal injuries inside our body. But don't worry, 80% of COVID-19 infections are not lethal. The lethal infections are caused by either the carelessness or not obeying the rules given by the government in this epidemic situation. This COVID-19 usually now is spiliated infection, which means that it will come from human to human. If it sneezes on you or any other kind of transmission. So be home and be safe. No need to get out. Also, one more thing. Don't ever hurt the nature. Nature has given us so much mesmerizing things, so much things we can enjoy. But if we don't hurt it, we will be safe. If nature can give us love, it can also become angry towards us. This small coronavirus has changed the whole world's economy and population, has killed so many people. Don't underestimate nature. Nature is good if we are good to it. But if we become bad for it, it will wipe us out like we do to our roaches and other things in our home. So don't play with it. Stay home, stay safe, stay hygienic. Avoid close contact to unknown people or your friends or any other relative. Stay at home. Enjoy with your family. Work from home. We have internet today. We can do it. Or subscribe to my channel and watch interesting videos every day. I am having new content always for you. Please like and share this video. Thank you.